Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering nets and basic tools so you can act fast. Once done, measure the shrine height and add 6-8 inches for folds and hem. You cut the net into panels matching left, center, and right, and mark the center line to align Ganpati. You pin the top edge temporarily to test fall and adjust width. Make sure the grain runs vertical so pleats sit naturally, and the light will diffuse evenly behind the idol. You now build depth by layering 2 to 3 panels. The reason is to soften light and conceal supports. You fold 1/2 inch pleats every 3-4 inches, alternating directions to create gentle waves, and pin or base the pleats so they hold shape. Once arranged, you attach the top edge to hooks or a wooden frame using fabric tape or small clamps. Make sure to keep tension, even so the net hangs without puckers and lights, sit behind the translucence. You finish by trimming any excess and tucking raw edges so the display looks clean. Once done, anchor the bottom with small weights or floral foam to prevent movement. You layer fairy lights behind the net, weave garlands in front, and place fresh or artificial flowers for a festive touch. Make sure to hide wires and test lighting before the ritual. If the net sags or lights flicker, tighten top hooks or add a central support, and replace loose bulb connections to stabilize the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.